everyone! So, for today, I've decided to turn on the camera. This will be a little bit different sa usual na content ko. Different siya kasi I will be just talking here sa camera. So, there will be no vlogs, like vlogs na usual na may mga edits, ganyan. So, I've decided today will be the first episode of this series called Murtalks. Matagal na akong like nagpaplano magkaroon like yung podcast. So, kasi nga, like, ang dami ko ding niyaya. Like, my friend, my sister, niyaya ko sila mag-podcast. But more on kasi ako yung yapper sa amin. So, pag binigyan mo ko ng topic, ang dami ko nang masasabi. Yun. Pero, I have this public speaking anxiety. Or like, parang nahihirapan akong i-express yung thoughts ko in front of everyone. Ngayon, I'm facing my fear of saying my thoughts here sa camera. Kahit mag-isa lang ako, syempre, I want to say my thoughts, heart-to-heart talk lang sa here. So, unfiltered, let's be safe space for everyone. So, for this first episode, as you can see sa title, Feeling Lost. Feeling lost. Ano ba? Paano ko ba kahapon kasi, hindi talaga ako makatulog. Around, like, usual time ng pagtulog ko is 10 o'clock. Tapos kahapon, hindi ako makatulog. Super active ng mind ko. I don't know, kasi parang ang daming nasa isip ko. I'm being discouraged, all of that. Kasi, this summer has been the longest one so far sa akin. Since I'm a pharma student. After second sem, meron kaming 2 weeks vacation, which I enjoyed this year. And then, after 2 weeks, nagkaroon naman kami ng term break classes. So, summer class, may mga duties, ganyan. And then, unexpectedly, usually, dapat 2 weeks din after ng term break. 2 weeks din yung magiging vacation. And then, another term na naman. Ngayon, it has been the longest vacation. 4 weeks siya. Like, bilang ko, 1 month talaga siya. Kasi nag-start ako ng July 9. July 9 ako natapos. July 10 kami nag-start mag-vacation. Tapos, ang pasukan pa namin is August 11. Well, sa ibang kaklase ko, it's not the same. Kasi nga, yung iba hanggang 12 pa, or like, mas late sa amin. Mas maaga ako for some reason. So, ayun, maaga yung naging vacation ko. And saktong nandito si Papa. I have so much plan before vacation. I have like, kasi since ito yung pinakamahaba, I want it to be productive. Gusto ko sana maka-earn ng money passively, ganyan. So, I did my research, ganyan. So, siguro pansin ng mga friends ko, Facebook friends, IG friends. Now, every week, parang may naisip ako, I have this plan. Parang, nagkaroon ako ng plano for my small business, which is yung Miss Charmer. It's yung mga keychains, mga bracelets, phone charms, yun yung binibenta ko. So, I did just that. Nag-launch ako ng new product since dati hindi pumatok yung product ko nung Valentine's. Sad. And then, sabi namin nung bakasyon, last vacation, nung 2 weeks after nung second sem ko, sabi namin ni Crystal, ay gumawa kami ng digital products kasi ngayon yung pumapatok. Ganyan. So, nagplan lang kami nung vacation. And hindi namin na-execute kasi nga puro kami gala, ganyan. Tapos, nung third naman, I was like very being discouraged na kasi nga, I have no, sabi ko, ano ba, bakit parang like, I'm stuck dun sa dalawa kong, so una, wala pa kami nasisimulan sa digital products, like, plano lang siya. So, naka-steady siya. Tapos, dun naman sa Miss Charmer ko, wala pa rin ako progress first 2 weeks. So, hindi ko alam kung ano plano o ganyan. Tapos, I was like, okay, sige. I will change my game. I will go, like, tutoring. Wala nangyari. I just posted. I waited. Wala. And then, like, fourth na, ano pa bang ginawa ko? Inopen namin ni Crystal yung commission. Kasi magpapasokan yung iba, mga bata, mga high school. So, I was like, we waited again, nag-post kami, wala. Wala nangyari. So, ang dami naming attempt na magsimula. And, nagsimula kami. Pero, it's not the result. Hindi namin nakuha yung gusto naming result. Though, ang gusto naming result kasi, siguro sa mindset namin, yung short-term result. Which is yun, kumita, pero it's not for the long run. Hindi namin naisip siguro yung long run, and also that was our mistake. We just went through it. Syempre, we did our research, we planned, pero as of today, it's like, wala. So, medyo mga around 2 weeks, parang like, pinaplan ko siya every day, or like, nai-stress ako. So, I was like, okay, 3rd week, I'm gonna stop. So, it's 3rd week na vacation. Totally stop. Like, this week. Kasi, and, ayun, sabi ko, okay, enjoy na lang. Ganyan. And then, yesterday, biglang umano lang sa mind ko, na, grabe, I'm stuck. Like, I'm stuck kung anong gagawin ko na. Kahit I tried studying, wala. Tinry ko talaga siya, hindi ako makapag-aral ng maayos. I cannot find my pace. I don't know na. So, ngayon, blank ako. Like, eto kasi, super daming, alam niyo guys yung tipo na, ang dami mong iniisip na gustong gawin. Nagpatong-patong siya, and to the point na, syempre na-execute ko na, like mine, na-execute ko na, nasimulan ko na, pero, nandun yung time na na-discourage na ako kasi nga, wala na, parang, after nito, ano na? I'm lost. I don't know the next step. Like, so that's my experience. And, mas marami ko siyang beses ngayon na, like, nararamdaman since I'm in my 20s. Okay, so, big changes are happening in my life. And, it's been overwhelming. So, I don't know if you can, like, feel me. Pero, it's been overwhelming kasi parang binabato ka na ng life ng kung anong hindi mo na-experience nung bata. Like, hindi mo in-expect na yun yung ma-experience mo. Pero ngayon, na-experience mo siya. Siyempre, sa sarili mo, i-expect mo na, ay, dapat alam ko to. Ay, dapat ready ako. Parang gusto kong i-achieve to before that age or before that month, year. It's either hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula or hindi mo alam kung nasimulan mo na pero paano mo ipagpapatuloy or paano mo makukuha yung result na gusto mo. And the answer to that, I think, really is hindi mo masasabi. Hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin na ay dapat yung fix na. Hindi mo agad masasabi na fix mo na alam yung flow ng life, hindi mo masasabing alam mo na yung dapat mangyari. Ganyan. And kahit sa future, you know, hindi mo talaga masasabi. And ngayon, nagkakaroon ako ng reflection about this topic, feeling lost. Kasi nga, we had this, ano ba to? Nagkakaroon ako ng reflection sa topic na to kasi my sister is, she's entering college, which is, syempre, na-experience ko na since she just turned 18, tapos college. So, parang, nagkaroon din ako ng reflection. What was I like nung nasa age niya ako? 2 years, this adulthood, kasi magte-21 na ako. Ilang months na lang magte-21 na. Though, wala pa namang like yung super duper big changes, ganyan. Pero mararamdaman mo talaga na siya, nagsisink in na siya sa akin na parang, okay, tumatanda na ako, bumibigat yung responsibilities. Mararamdaman ko talaga naman like, am I on the right track? Like, nandun na ako sa point na, tama ba yung pinasukan ko? Or like, sa future, ano ba, kung ito yung pinasok ko ngayon, sa future ba, will I excel or something? Mas alam na dun sa mga businesses na sinabi ko kanina, sa mga inopen kong business, sa mga sinimulan kong track, na walang progress, na hindi ko alam ngayon yung susunod na step. And, na-realize ko, reflecting, parang, okay, it's okay. Ang magagawa mo lang talaga is to sit with your feelings. Tapos, hindi ka dapat magpadaloy sa ingay sa labas. Like, isang factor yon kaya ako nadi-discourage. Kasi, ang dami kong content, ang dami kong nakikita na bakit sa gantong field nag-success sila. Like, bakit ako na tinatry ko, sinimulan ko, hindi pala para sa akin. Naisip ko agad na hindi para sa akin kasi nga hindi nag-work. So, I'm gonna switch to other things. Try another thing. So, ayun. And dagdag ko din yung kay Crystal na magta-transition siya. It's a major change entering college and seeing her like super nakaka-proud. At the same time, parang nagre-reminisce yung utak ko na ganyan din ako. I was scared na what if mag-fail. I was scared na paano pag hindi ito para sa akin. Nauuna yung mga, di ba, nauuna yung mga thoughts na ganon. And hindi mo talaga may iwasan. We discussed this and we both said na it's a natural thing for humans to feel that way. But at the same time, it's just, time will just tell, like, if you will excel on something, and until you try, hindi mo naman siya masasabi until you try it. And me, after trying those so many things na, and ongoing pa rin naman siya, you just have to sit with your feelings. Isipin mo din kung ano yung naging mali, and you just have to stay consistent. You just have to keep going. Kasi, parang feeling ko kapag nagsimula ka, and then you just give up sa gitna, talo ka din. Parang ganon. Parang yun din yung naisip ko. Hopefully, maano ko dun sa advice, ganyan. Sarili ko. I hope this Mer Talks, this new series of mine, will bring light or like makarelate yung iba. I will just yap. I don't know if it will be okay for this content, but I'm happy that I was able to start this one. Yeah, it's like experiences ko, feeling lost. You're always gonna have that feeling na tama ba to? Am I on the right track? Am I doing it right? What if magkamali ako? There are so many what ifs. There are so many questions in mind. What if hindi ko masabayan yung mga kasama ko? What if maiwan ako? What if ma-stuck ako sa gitna? Hindi ko alam gagawin ko? Ganyan. And those questions will not stop until you really get that result. Even though you get that result, it will not stop. Kasi nga, after achieving one thing, there will be always questions in mind na, okay, na-achieve ko na to, what will be the next step? Or baka mag-fail ako after achieving this. Ang daming ingay sa mundo. Grabe. Just have to, kaya madaling sabihin, just go with the flow, even though there are questions like this. Pero, you just have to be you just have to know your pace, you just have to keep going. You cannot stop, because no one will keep cheering you up. Yeah, there will be friends, there will be families, pero ikaw pa rin talaga yung magdadala sa sarili mo. And ayun, parang ng takot, kasi fear will really kakainin ka ng fear. I-push mo lang kung ano yung sa tingin mo na kaya mong gawin at the present without thinking that much of future, kasi it will take a toll on you talaga kapag future agad yung inisip mo, hindi pa siya nangyayari. And ayun, pinaka number 1 talaga, it's totally okay. It's totally fine na ma-feel mo na parang lost ka. It's just you na wondering, and then eventually you'll just come back to that phase. And syempre, there will be always people watching you, but you really don't have to mind them. Dapat sa gantong time, dapat ganun na siya, ganun, na-achieve na niya yung ganito. Pero, everyone has their own timing. Diba? Yesterday, I just bumped into a favorite YouTuber of mine, yung Merl Twins. Kinalakan ko siya. And, hindi ko natuloy yung video, okay? Kasi kahapon, I'm very lost then. I've been switching from videos to videos, from advices, tapos bigla pupunta ako sa TikTok, tapos pupunta ako sa content ng mga vloggers, ganyan. And then, sinabi niya na, sinabi daw ng parents niya, mother niya, na we have those mountains to climb, and own mountains. So, kahit nakita na daw, kuwari, yung isang tao, nakita na nasa taas, syempre, mape-pressure ka, sabi mo, hala, siya nasa taas na, ako nandito pa rin. Pero it's totally fine. We have our own timing, we have our own track, our own, timeline. We have our own timeline. Hindi ibig sabihin na tapos na niya yung gawin yung isang bagay, na-achieve na niya yung gusto mo, eh, parehas kayong i-achieve yun at the same time. May pagdadaanan pa din na iba, di ba? So, yun yung mga natutunan ko pa this early 20s. Yeah, it's very overwhelming kasi nga, syempre, expect nila na dapat mature ka na sa bagay na to, pero and ngayon, hanggang ngayon, I'm still discovering what I truly like and what ano talaga yung passion ko sa buhay. Kahit yung pangarap ko for myself and for my family. Actually, this past few days, yung nagbabakasyon kami, mas tumataas pa kasi nga, kaya medyo nape-pressure nga ako. I never talked about this, about pressure things. Not in ACAD ha, pero in life. Kasi nga, I am the panganay. So, merong deep inside sa akin na I should grow, I should learn. And it's kind of overwhelming nga kasi nga I'm 20. Kahit ako sa sarili ko, nape-pressure din ako kasi I have to earn money, ganyan. But I'm like a student and it's really hard for me to really find that passion deep inside na mag-excel ako. Kasi that's been my problem this whole entire time. I've been really focused sa ACADS. Once na nung nagsimula ako na, okay, this will be a like different topic. Pero, once kasi na, like, more on ACADS, ganyan, talagang academic lang yung naatupag ko. And, there's always been time na, yun lang yung naisip ko. Pagdating ng bakasyon, wala akong hobbies, wala akong ganyan. It will be a different video if you want, yun yung magiging topic natin. Pero, for this video, for this particular video, it will be just go with the flow and what. That's about it. It's, yeah, I hope you learned something kahit papano. Wala akong script, guys. Ano yung nasa isip at puso ko, yun talaga yung sinabi ko for this video. Yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope nakarelate kayo ng kaunti. Sana may nakuha kayo. Sana this video, kapag dumating sa feed nyo, is magkaroon kayo ng like self-reflection. Ganito pala. Okay, it's okay to feel lost sometimes. Ganyan. And if you're someone transitioning from one phase to another, there will be other like major change na sa inyong buhay na bigla na lang dumating, tapos hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. You can always ask. Always ask for an advice. Tell someone you're feeling this way. You really don't have to bottle up all on your own. Hindi mo naman totally dapat alam agad kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Pero, valid na alam mo sa sarili mo na like lost ka, and you can always ask others. Maybe na-experience ng iba, or like they're going through the same thing. Like, you can always have a companion by your side. That's about it. Comment lang kayo sa mga naging reflections nyo, or like kung may gusto rin kayong sabihin sa mga nanonood, sa mga viewers na hindi ko nasabi here. Let's be a safe space for everyone here in our community. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!